Master leadership, strategies for success. What makes a great leader? It's not just about giving orders, it's about influence, empathy, and vision. In this video, we uncover the secrets of inspiring leadership. Whether you're a beginner or aspiring to go higher, these strategies will help you rise above the rest. Great leaders connect with their teams. Emotional intelligence, understanding, and managing emotions is your foundation. People don't follow orders, they follow inspiration. Practice empathy, active listening, and self-awareness to create real trust and stronger relationships with everyone around you. This is where true leadership grows. A leader must speak in ways that move people. Simplify complex ideas, articulate your vision, and ensure your words motivate action. Great communication turns thoughts into progress. By honing this skill, you'll inspire confidence and guide your team to success without confusion. The secret to growth as a leader: learn to trust others. Delegating responsibilities not only helps you focus on the bigger picture but also empowers your team to develop. Remember, a leader who supports others creates a ripple effect of success and innovation.